feel like I might be in over my head. I definitely have a lot of anxiety about it. I definitely do, because it's definitely out of my comfort zone. This is the emotion. This is the concept. This is the technique to use. If you think any of this means I know what I'm doing, I don't. I'm literally just figuring this out as I'm doing it. I overthink everything, but I'm trying not to overthink. I'm trying to just create. I don't even know which direction I'm gonna go with this. Welcome to the garage. Actually, no, this is a movie set. You guys just don't see the vision yet. Some things need to be done and orchestrated. Clearly, there's some work to do, but really all that matters is that you see what I need you to see, okay? I have a vision, all right? And I also have a light. I have a vision and a light, that's it. I have a snoot, is what we call it in the industry, in my industry, at my house. This is a Godox SL100. This is the contraption. So it's like scripting, the creating, the editing, the posting, that's what I'm doing. But if you were to do this on your own, what would you do? Because right now, I have a lot of anxiety about this. I'm like, am I in over my head? Do I even know what the fuck I'm doing? Step on them. Alright. So I think I'm gonna have to put my camera behind here, right? Now, you're coming with me. Be surprised at how much you can fix in post. That took me like no time. It took me more time to overthink doing it than actually doing it. You could probably barely hear me though. There's a furnace, water heater thing situation blowing right now. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect right now, okay? The point is just to try and see what I like and see what works. And that came out better than I actually thought it would, so. Today's shooting day, and I'm just shooting me picking out things out of the jars. But we've ran into a problem. I don't have a table right now because in my mind I wanted a table and I don't want to move like a big desk down here because then I have to move all that crap. But I realized I have these shelves in my garage that I could use as a table. So let's see if it comes together in some way. This might be actually perfect. What's real, you know? Backdrop. But I did not top of it. Dog hair. No, this works actually. This is like perfect. Will this work? Should I sit? I feel like that's too low. If you want to do this with me, feel free. Feel free to also have the same anxiety that I'm having. Maybe we can stress with each other. I don't know, drop ideas in the comments of how you would think to approach this. Like if you were to do it, right? If you were if you were a painter. That's the thing. If you don't want to actually do this, that's fine. But if you want to just be involved in the process and like, you know, kind of walk through it with yourself. Like that'd be cool too, you know? Because I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm really out of my comfort zone. Doing that was also just out of my comfort zone. I feel like just doing something like this is also out of my comfort zone. Yeah, getting out of your comfort zone is actually fucking like really difficult, even if it's like something like this. But I think really it's just a matter of doing it and then just seeing what happens, because like it's not like you can like think your way out of the comfort zone. You literally just have to do it. So I'm gonna be scripting my version of this challenge. Maybe I'm in over my head. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out because this is what I wanna do. I wanna be a creator and I just wanna try new things and, you know, test my abilities and improve, because, you know, editing like simple vlogs and the things I've already done, like, you know, TikTok or whatever, it's I feel like it's a little bit simpler. But the thing that I'm trying to do now, this is like so different. This is so different. Yeah, that's how I'm feeling right now. Am I in over my head? Maybe I'm not though. Let's see if we could do this. Let's see if I could do this, because this is kind of just completely out there from what I would do, you know what I mean? Like different parameters than what I would put together. You're doing this too. I wish you good luck and good vibes as well. Because the point is to create, the point is to get out of your comfort zone, the point is to critique less, create more, try new things, and see like what can come of it. So, breaking the mold, obsession, and extreme close-up. Let's see what we can create. All right. Let's do that.